Hey, I'm Ash, co-founder of Smile Data. My brothers and I have been in the dental industry for over 15 years. We've owned dental practices. I started at the front desk, worked my way through revenue cycle, built call centers, and eventually oversaw operations for over 500 dentists at hundreds of dental practice locations with a DSO. I was the fix-it guy. Dental practice broken? Send me in. Revenue cycle not working? I go and fix it. Your team is not performing? I was the guy to go in and turn it around. And here's the thing, I've always operated with great data. However, I had to do it one of two ways. Either I had to enter everything in manually, or I actually had a reporting department that supported me as an operator to go in and make these decisions. So I was in the market for a new data product. And what I found, the options were terrible. First problem, most analytic companies force you to package the reporting with a bunch of other products, like a billing product, patient engagement tool, or a communication tool that you may not need. Because by packaging all these products together, that's how they lock you in, so you can't leave regardless of the performance of their analytic product. Second problem, they claim to integrate with all the different practice management softwares up there. Sounds great, right? Wrong. Because by them integrating with everybody, the data is actually not really accurate with any of them. And without accuracy, analytics are useless. Your team will not adopt it because they don't trust it, and you're back to square one. Third problem, these platforms are built for the CEO. Fancy charts, big dashboards, production numbers everywhere. They're not built for the average front desk or the average owner dentist. That's because your front desk doesn't care about big production numbers. They don't need a dashboard that's built for a Fortune 500 company. They need actionable items that help them save time and fill your schedule faster. And that's why we formed Smile Data, built by dentists for dentists. Now let me tell you some things that differentiate us from the rest. Number one, we're built exclusively for open dental. One software, deep integration, and most importantly, accurate data. Now, let's dive deep into some of our best metrics. First up is my favorite, our new claims dashboard. We didn't show you the industry standard 30, 60, 90-day aging report. We show you which claims to follow up on today, based on actual follow-up dates that you set. One of our customers with 7 practices found over $1 million in outstanding claims that they could still be getting paid on that they didn't know about until they started using our claims dashboard. We believe this is so game-changing that for the first time, you as the practice owner can go to sleep at night knowing there are no claims to follow up on today. Imagine how that would feel. Next is a front office favorite, which is the treatment finder. And the reason that it's different from the rest is because it shows you treatment that is due right now. All the other treatment finders in the market just show you crowns that need to be scheduled. But what if they need a root canal before that? What if it's like phase 5, not phase 1? That's why our treatment finder saves you over 45 minutes a day per front desk employee in finding treatment that needs to go on your schedule today, helping you fill your schedule faster and be more productive. Next is our proprietary hygiene opportunity and treatment opportunity calculations that finally reaches treatment conversions. We don't just tell you what your hygiene recare percentage is. We actually find other opportunities like patients who have fallen off the hygiene schedule or patients you've never seen on hygiene before. And now with our new treatment opportunities, your team know exactly who's coming in today that needs to have a treatment plan scheduled, and now their conversion rate is based on all of those people that actually schedule treatment that day. This means that for the first time, you actually know your same-day treatment conversion and your basic treatment conversion for the month to see how your team performed. Next is one of the doctor's favorites, which is individual tracking of your treatment coordinators. Who scheduled more appointments on your books? How much did they add? How many cancellations did they have? Do you have someone that schedules more hygiene appointments or more productive appointments? Do you have someone that schedules more appointments that end up canceling last minute? For the first time, you can manage performance of your front office team, which has never been done before unless it was done manually. And finally, the feature that is everyone's favorite, which is no more manual tracking. In fact, I think that manual tracking is inaccurate as well because not everyone is perfect at filling things out. We have finally cracked the code to tell you how many days your office has been open, how many provider shifts that you've had, and through those metrics you can finally get daily net production averages, production per provider, production per shift, all of the things that you would want to know to see how you're performing on an individual appointment or provider level. This is game changing. At least it was for us, because for the first time, you can look at your executive dashboard, which I call the FMX of the practice, that are 18 metrics that will tell you exactly why production is up or down, how your team is performing, what your conversion rates were, something that in a matter of minutes, you can decide on something that could have taken you days or weeks to get to. But I'm not done. There are two more things that still differentiate us from the others. Number one, everyone else uploads their data once a day. And even though that is one of our packages, you do get the ability to upgrade metrics once an hour. This is important if the team is actually using the report every single day to improve your performance in the office. And remember when I told you that I built this by us for us? That's why I committed to no long-term contracts. Smile Data is a month-to-month product because I believe that if we're not serving you, you should have the ability to give us a 30-day cancellation. On top of that, I am going to offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee. That is how much I believe in this product. If you used it for 30 days and you didn't like it, we will give you your money back. And because I hate high pressure sales tactics from all these other companies, I chose that you are going to do the demo on your own time. I know you're already busy and it's hard to book an appointment with someone, so click the link below, do the demo on your own time that's pre-recorded, and if you choose to start with us, just click on getting started and we will onboard you automatically throughout that process. You just have to fill out a few questions and we'll get your data up and running as soon as you want it to. I built this to help other dentists, and I know it is going to change your practice forever. Thank you for trusting us, and feel free to give us a call if you have any questions.